All right, y'all, it's that time of year, tax refund season, and a lot of people are wondering how should I invest my tax refund so that I'm not broke in 30 days. All right, so I'm just going to give you some friendly ideas, some investment strategies, things you can do with your tax return that will help you to make more money in the next 6 months or the next lifetime. All right, so my first one I want to talk about is 5 steps to making 5K a month online. So I do have an ebook coming out right now. It is half off because it hasn't officially launched yet. So it's called 5 Steps to Making 5K Online. Basically, you're going to make money from your phone and make money from your home, just like I'm doing right now. So a lot of people do ask me, a lot of people ask me, how am I able to do so many different things? And what they don't know is I don't actually do all those things, but I do something called affiliate marketing and network marketing. And these are the things that allow me to make money online. This helps me to make money online. So let's go to the next investment. All right. The next recommendation, okay, again, too, that website again was 5 steps to 5K. So 5 steps to 5K.com if you want to pre-order that book, which is half off right now. So the next thing we want to think about investing in is good old fashioned stocks, right? So I know that you hear a lot of people saying, oh, stocks are terrible right now, blah, blah, blah. Here's the thing. Stocks will always go down and, they will drop and increase, of course, right? But here's the thing. Right now, Tesla is only $130 per share. But guess what? Last year in April, it was $381. So if you got a couple $100, get you a couple shares of Tesla and probably in a year, you're gonna make a couple hundred or a couple $1,000s. I mean, the thing is that we are educated now, and so we know that just keeping our money in a savings account at a bank, that's not gonna help us at all, right? So right now, this is Robinhood too. I'm gonna put a link below so that you can just sign up for Robinhood. It's free to sign up. But if you sign up using my link, you and I will both get a free stock. So Robinhood is like the easiest platform to get started into buying shares of stock. So yeah, go ahead and do it. But right now, it's saying the analyst ratings are rating Tesla as a 63.6% buy, right? And a very small percentage is saying sell, right? So yeah, you can never go wrong. And here's Apple. If you like Apple, get some Apple for 135. Amazon is at $96. I'm going to get me some Amazon and I'm probably going to get some Google too. That's what the Alphabet Class A is right here. That's the Alphabet Class A. That's like Google and Nvidia. I can't remember what that is, but I know a lot of those day traders talk about it. I think it's got something to do with healthcare. So I'm going to look into that Nvidia one also. But yeah, this is another great way to invest your tax return, right? Don't be broke in 30 to 60 days, y'all. Invest that money, right? So finally, my third way, my third way to invest that tax refund is, of course, LiveGood. Now, my direct site for LiveGood is getmoney2023.com. And the reason I call it that is because this is a very, it's a groundbreaking company. Basically, it's like a membership club, right? So, and I'm going to do a video too in the next couple weeks, but I did order some of these products and I really want to tell you about some of them and how I'm feeling a little bit different, a little bit lighter. So we'll talk about that later. But here's the thing. You can get your vitamins and minerals at Live Good, but the trick, the benefit, the advantage is that each person that signs up for the membership club, you get a commission on. And so, some new people, y'all, are making like $1,000 a week doing this. So, this is a great way to invest your tax return, and it's only $9.95 a month, right? And y'all are spending, I mean, that's like you spending almost $9 every day getting coffee and a donut. So, definitely Live Good is definitely a place to start your investment. The startup cost is $49. So the startup cost is very low. It's only $9.95 a month, and you get a commission on every person that you sign up. And again, it's time for us to just think different because inflation ain't got mercy on none of us. All right. So it's time for us to think different, think outside the box so that we can have, so that we can make some extra money, without trading time for dollars, So again, let me go back again. So we got getmoney2023.com. That's my new partnership with Live Good. That is a great way to invest your tax return. All right, because you want to be making money. All right. And another way, figure out how to start making money online. I spill all the beans, y'all, in this ebook, and I can't wait to unveil it. This is one of the book covers that I am considering, but could be something different when it's all said and done. And so, all right, that's it. Thanks for watching this video. I hope that you did get some value on my recommendations on how to invest your tax return. These are easy ways to invest, but these are also easy ways that will help you to make more money. I know that was the issue with me for a long time, is that when I would get extra money, I would pay bills instead of using that extra money to invest in something so that I can make more money and, just change my tax bracket, right? So, again, you want to go to 5steps, 5k.com. That takes you to that ebook. I am spilling all the secret sauce on how to make money online and from your phone, y'all. We can't keep trading our time for dollars, driving up to a job, blah, blah, blah. But anyway, yep, you want to get the book because it's half off right now. It hasn't officially launched yet. And now with Live Good at getmoney2023.com, right? So with Live Good, you will, once you sign up under me, you're in my downline. So we're actually having mentoring sessions, our group, my group. So you want to definitely do that and get started right away. Like I said, some people are making $1,000 a week. Okay, just finding people who want to join the club is really simple. So, and then also, stocks are low right now. And so, what goes up must come down, and what goes down goes back up. So go ahead and get you some stocks. Invest in yourself. Don't just spend your tax return on bills and all of that. Actually invest in something that's going to change you. Tell me, y'all, which one are you most likely to do? Are you planning to join the club, my partnership at Live Good? Or are you planning to get that ebook on how to make 5K a month online and from your phone? Or are you just going to invest in some Tesla, Amazon, or Apple stock? Let me know in the comment section. All right, y'all. So let me know in the comment section, which investment are you most likely to do? Are you gonna invest into Live Good and become a partner so that you can start making $1,000 a week? Or all right, y'all. So let me know in the comment section, which investment are you most likely to do? Are you going to join my partnership at Live Good and start making $1,000 a month? Or are you going to invest in that ebook and start making 5K a month online from your phone? Or are you just going to get you some Tesla, Apple, or Amazon stock? Let me know in the comment section. I'm Katina Willis, and I look forward to your comments, and I'll see you on the next video.